Hello, this is Jose from ADTECHNO. We're here at InfoComm 2026, and we're really happy because we got two awards. One was the AV Technology Award, Best of Show, for our DAV control Nexus. So this is going to be a full standalone control box that you're going to be able to use free from a computer with a web GUI. It's going to have open architecture. You're going to be able to communicate with third-party softwares. Our web GUI, it's based on the Dante controller workflow, so it's super easy to understand, super easy to install, and it's getting a lot of traction. We're really happy about it. And for our Best of Show installation winner, we have our new product for this year. We're releasing it right now here at InfoComm. It's the AEX-01UTR. We call this an extension system, USB, 4K, 120 hertz extension system. Everything goes through one Cat5e cable up to 100 meters. So a lot of people are getting excited about it. We're going to try to put it out in the market as soon as we can. So if you want to learn more, please visit www.adtechno.com, ad-techno.com, right?